In a vast, endless ocean, teeming with life, there resided an unusual community of creatures. Among them was a small sardine named Seraphina, known for her wisdom beyond her size. One day, a great storm swept across the ocean, causing a tsunami. Fearing for her life, Seraphina swam tirelessly, keeping her eyes on the horizon. As the waves crashed around her, she noticed a helpless crab clinging to a floating piece of seaweed. Seraphina, with her heart full of compassion, made a choice. Instead of swimming to safety, she turned back towards the crab, risking her own life. She nudged the seaweed, helping the crab float away from the danger. The crab, grateful for Seraphina's kindness, asked, "Why did you risk your life for me, a creature much larger than yourself?" Seraphina replied, "Because, my dear friend, in this vast ocean, every life matters, regardless of size. It is our responsibility to help each other, especially in times of need." The crab, touched by Seraphina's words, promised to remember her wisdom. As the storm subsided, Seraphina swam towards the safety she had forsaken, knowing that her act of kindness had not gone unnoticed. In the end, it was not the size of Seraphina that mattered, but the impact of her actions. Her wisdom, humility, and selflessness served as a reminder that even the smallest among us can make a difference. And so, the ocean continued to teem with life, each creature learning a little more about empathy and compassion, thanks to the wisdom of the sardine.